Costa Rica! After 4 years, we're finally back in one of our favorite countries.
Enjoy our adventures exploring the tropical flora and fauna, endless coastlines and wild beaches, vibrant cities, and of course, the most welcoming people. Pura Vida!
My name is Lotte.
And I'm Domek.
We are two crazy birds tripping around our beautiful planet.
We are
touring birds.
And we are finally back in our favorite paradise Uvita on the Pacific Ocean. We couldn't forget this place after our first visit to Costa Rica and needed to come back. And it turned out to be even better than ever.
¡Huepa! Así. Sigue el corriente, saca la botella, cambia el ambiente. Baby, no me mientes, tú sabes que te gusta muy caliente. Y baby, cuando bailas, moviendo suavecito, yo me quedo callado. Y baby, estoy perdido, volviendo loco en mi mente. Yo no sé lo que pasó, cuéntame, porque el corazón me robó ya. Saca la botella hasta que me olvide. Saca la botella y eso se acabó. Y eso se acabó. Bailando por la noche sin miedo. Y eso se acabó. Y eso se acabó. Baby, me robaste el corazón.
Good morning.
Good morning. Does it get any better than that? Breakfast with actually a view. In the middle of the jungle. We just had cappuccino monkeys jumping around next to us. Oh, this is incredible. What you looking at?
Honestly, I don't know where to look at first because it's sunset almost and we see monkeys jumping around, but also parrots coming home, the toucans, which are basically our...
Should I show the picture?
Yeah.
So these are the monkeys coming home right now.
And the Montezuma
In the back.
making his best noises. Travel hack. We found a beach close to Uvita Marino Ballena National Park, which usually costs like $7 per person, just for free of charge, and not busy at all. What a dream beach.
I just said these are the moments you will remember when you're old and sitting together, this warm summer rain on the beach in Costa Rica. It's really nice, amazing.
And it's not that busy at the beach, look.
No, there's nobody around here. Nobody. The rain brought us a little visitor. Ah, cacao.
Cacao puro,
Puro Kakao.
sí. Cacao for fermentación, 6 days fermentación, 3 days the sun, the roast, the
Getrocknet, geröstet.
she
Can,
is the grandmother de my wife.
ah, okay.
Grandmother is indigenous, ¿comprende?
Indigenous. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
This is cacao, the family is for sale, okay? Cacao,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
cacao. One chocolate, 100% puro natural.
Essen.
Yeah.
Es chocolate 100%.
Mangiare.
No sugar, no milk, no chemicals, no
Ja.
nothing. Puro energy, the mint, no problem de Alzheimer, the mint is... Yeah.
Good. How you like your present?
Yellow coconut.
It's fresh from this tree. The son of our new friend, Ola, gave it to us, and now we are friends forever. Pura Vida. Good?
Dolce.
Ah, okay, okay. Langusta. Pesca. So we're visiting a local fisherman. He told us he's out here for between 5 and 8 days on the ocean. So these are the hooks.
We have the greatest sundowner.
On New Year's Eve.
So epic. Crazy epic. Happy New Year!
Every New Year. This is crazy. I mean, what? Look at this guy. It is literally burning.